Welcome to the DataFlow Group video guide to walk you through the process of completing the primary source verification application for the Oman Society of Engineers, OSE. To begin, go to www.dfgateway.com. If this is your first time registering with us, enter the email you wish to use in order to sign up for a new account. Read the terms and conditions, tick I agree, and confirm. You will receive an email with an activation link. Click on the link, create your password, then click on Save and Continue. You are now ready to log in. If you have registered with the DataFlow Group previously, you will just need to enter your email address. You will be asked to enter your password on the next screen. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password, enter your email ID and submit. You will receive an email with a link to reset it. The dashboard allows you to start a new application or to complete and submit a case that was previously started. You may select your preferred language from the drop list. However, you will still need to enter the data in English. Click on Start Application to create a new case. From the authority name drop list, select Oman Society of Engineers. Select your application category. Under Package, select an option according to the number of educational qualifications and employment certificates that you would like to verify. Please be careful. This selection cannot be changed once you move to the following section. If you select the wrong type or category, you will need to start a new application. If you have more documents to verify from any type of checks, simply click on the plus sign to reach the required count. On the Personal Details section, click on Upload and drag or upload a clear scanned copy of your passport in JPEG or PNG format. If the file uploaded is not clear, you will get two options to choose from. Try again to upload another file, or manually enter your passport details. Check the details and make updates if required, then click Submit. Please make sure you double-check these details very carefully, as errors in this data will likely cause delays to the processing of your case. Complete the fields marked with an asterisk. Enter your mobile phone number and generate a one-time password. Enter the OTP received by SMS to validate it, then click on Next. On the Verification Details section, fill in the details of each check. Always start with the name of your university or previous employer. A pop-up will open to allow you to enter the name of your university, institute, employer, or any other organization that issued your document. If we have the name on file, we will pre-populate some of the data for you. If we do not recognize the name, click on I cannot find my issuing authority from the list to manually enter the name and country. If there are no mandatory requirements for the selected issuing authority, tick the box and submit. If you see any mandatory requirements for the selected issuing authority, make sure you read them carefully and provide all the required information and documents. Failing to comply with the list will result in delaying your report. For each check, complete the fields marked with an asterisk and upload the mandatory documents. For each document you upload, you need to specify its type from the drop list. To move from a section to another, click Next. To go back to a previous page to make edits or corrections, click Back. If at any time you would like to leave the application, click on Save to avoid losing the data. You will be able to find it from Check Your Status on the dashboard page. On the Letter of Authorization section, click on Consent, scroll through the letter, then click on Consent. Click on Download PDF if you would like to keep a copy of this letter for your reference. Click Finish, then Next. Now that you have completed all the sections, go through the provided details. In case you would like to make any changes or corrections, Click on Edit and you will be directed to the desired section. You may also download a copy of the entire application for future reference. Once ready to proceed, click on Submit Application. Review the amount and click on Submit Application. Select your preferred payment method, enter the details of your credit card and click on Pay. Once the verification of your case is completed, we will notify you by email and your report will become available for OSE. We hope you found this video useful. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications of similar videos as they are published. We also invite you to watch our other videos to learn how to track the status of your application and download your report, or to apply for any other regulator.